Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Harley-Davidson of Danbury's virtual showroom. My name's Al Lucchino, and you're looking at the 2026 Road Glide Ltd. in gray with chrome and black wrinkle motor. This is the newest state-of-the-art touring bike from Harley-Davidson, utilizing the Road Glide platform, which handles better than any touring bike has a right to. Let me walk you through this motorcycle really quickly. We've got fairing lowers. We've got an updated tour pack. We've got speakers front and rear. We've got a heated seat. We've got heated hand grips. This bike has it all. 12.3-inch infotainment. You've got dual disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, traction control, slipper clutch. So if you miss a downshift, you don't chirp the tire. You've got USA-made Dunlop tires with the rear tires a 180 millimeter with a dual compound with a harder compound in the center so you get more mileage out of the tires. Harley-Davidson has thought of everything on this bike, and the heart of this is a center cooled, and when I say center cooled, it's because the cylinder heads are liquid cooled with a small radiator tucked under the chin spoiler. You don't see it. It keeps the heat off the rider and the passenger, allows us to have a higher compression ratio for more performance, more mid-range, so benefits everyone, yet it still looks like a traditional 45-degree V-twin engine looks like and runs like and sounds like the Harley-Davidson motor that we know and love. Now, this is a 117 cubic inch, which equals out to about 1,921 cc's, a big motor, lots of power, lots of torque, about 105 horsepower and about 130, 131 foot-pounds of torque. But what's also new is we've got variable valve timing. So that gives us some RPM over rev as well as a big fat power band in the middle with that variable valve timing. So we get the benefits of a big and a short cam, if you know what that is, and you get lots of performance. New technology works beautiful on a touring bike. Lots of features that are standard, including the one-touch saddlebags, paint and chrome, and a fit and finish that's second to none, 6-speed transmission, belt drive that's quiet, clean, and virtually maintenance-free. So come on down to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We are a family-owned business. We've been here at Federal Road in Danbury for over 30 years. We are open Tuesday through Fridays, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the dealership.